Hello everyone, myself Mayank Shukla from Heidelco Medical Private Limited. I am designated as a service engineer. Our organization was started from 2013. We are a leading manufacturer in critical care equipment. We have equipment like anesthesia workstation, patient monitor, ECG machine and syringe pump. And I am here to explain you about our pulse oximeter device. So this is our equipment, pulse oximeter. With this equipment, we give a holding charging stand. From backside, you can see that there is a charging port and it is very handy to use like a smartphone. With this equipment, we provide one charger, an SpO2 probe and temperature probe. So this is our equipment, pulse oximeter. You can see that it is very handy to use just like a smartphone. From upper side, you can see there is a two port. First one is for SpO2 and second one is for temperature. And now I am going to tell you how to use it. This is a power button. I have to press it for 1 second. Now you can see that the machine is on and the machine is placed on a demo mode. Now you can focus on screen. It represents two parameters with SpO2 and temperature. But on screen you can see the perfusion index is represented on red color, full graph is showing, and the temperature is representing left side corner. And you can see pulse rate represented from green color and SpO2 is from yellow color. On the top area you can see the patient name, and the top area next side you can see the battery indication and alarm indicator and patient connection indicator and a rotator. And this is a keypad area. In this equipment we provide all three type of SpO2 probe: adult, neonatal and pediatric. Now we are going to tell you how to use the SpO2 probe on equipment. Then we have to connect with the connector, and now you are seeing the light is representing connect with finger. Now you can see that the perfusion index is represented and SpO2 and pulse rate are already shown on display. So now we are going to tell you about the internal application of this equipment. This is the menu button. From this we can go through the internal application like user ID, record mode, SpO2 record mode, temperature record mode, date, setting, alerts and help. If you want to check the record, then we will go through this button, record button. Spot record check, you can check this on spot patient record, and if you want to check a trend record, then you have to go from this application. And then I am going to tell you about the equipment. This equipment comes with a huge battery backup of 18 hours on a single full charge, and it is an auto rotating screen also, and it is having a back stand. So now you can see that we can make it like that also.